This is how to use Google Notebook for beginners. Let's start from the very beginning. Here we are on the Notebook LM homepage. As you can see, we're greeted with a Welcome to Notebook LM message and a prompt to create our first notebook. Notebook LM is an AI-powered research and writing assistant. It works best when you upload documents or content like PDFs, notes, or even audio files, and can then help you find insights, answer questions, and summarize complex information. We have three key options displayed at the center. Upload your documents. This is where you can add the files that Notebook LM will use to provide insights. Convert material into summaries. The AI can automatically create easy-to-digest formats like FAQs or briefs to help you quickly understand the main points. Create a knowledge base. You can organize key resources and even share them with others. To get started, we're going to use an example notebook, the button at the center, which will open a prompt for us to create a new notebook. This feature is super useful if you're new to Notebook LM and want to see how it works with some preloaded content. In this example notebook, we can see various cards titled with notes like, "About this notebook, why can't I write a note and make it personal?" Each of these cards contains information about the notebook's content and explains how Notebook LM works. This is a read-only public notebook, so we can explore and see what's possible, but we can't add or edit any notes here. On the left side of the screen, there's a sidebar listing all available sources in this notebook, each one clickable for easy navigation. After clicking Create, we land on this Add Sources screen. This is where we can upload the content that Notebook LM will analyze for us. You can either drag and drop files or click Choose File to upload to browse files on your device. Supported file types include PDFs, text files, and audio formats like MP3. Notebook LM can even pull content directly from Google Docs or Google Slides by connecting to your Google Drive. At the bottom, we also see options to add content by linking to websites, pasting text directly, or even linking a YouTube video. This flexibility makes it easy to build a notebook with a mix of different sources. Once you've added your files or linked to content, Notebook LM will use this information to answer questions and surface relevant insights. This screen is packed with useful options for creating and customizing your notebook. Guide panel. On the left, we have a guide with options to help structure your content. You can create various formats, including an FAQ, a study guide, a table of contents, a timeline, or a briefing document. These options are ideal for organizing information in the way that best suits your project, whether you're studying for exams, creating a timeline for a project, or compiling quick reference materials. Audio Overview section. Moving to the right, there's an Audio Overview section. Here you can generate audio content based on the notebook's contents. You can either customize or directly generate an audio summary, which is great if you prefer to listen to your notes on the go. Below that, you'll see suggested questions. These are automatically generated based on your notebook content. You can use them to quickly explore specific details or get summaries on key topics, making it easy to dive deeper into your material without manually searching. Summary. Lastly, there's a summary section, which gives a concise overview of what's in the notebook. This feature is particularly useful if you have a lot of content and want a quick way to remind yourself of the main points. This notebook guide screen is your main hub for content creation, audio options, and research suggestions. Next, let's move on to uploading sources. Now here's how to add content to Notebook LM. If you want to upload information from a YouTube video, this screen shows the simple process, how to add a YouTube URL. All you need to do is paste the URL of a public YouTube video into this field. Google Notebook will then import the text transcript from that video, allowing you to use it as a source for your notes. To demonstrate, let's choose a couple of YouTube videos that we'll use as sources. Selecting videos, we'll grab the top 2 videos listed here. By adding these, we can start building our notebook with actual content to work with. I will ask Notebook LM a question. How can we use Notebook? And this is the response I received. It's a direct answer based on the available sources. The response is quite detailed, showing that Notebook LM can provide accurate answers based on the sources you upload. This is perfect for quickly clarifying information or for deepening understanding on a specific topic. What we can see, content creation. Notebook LM lists ways it can assist with content creation, including generating podcasts, FAQs, study guides, and more by summarizing multiple sources. This highlights its capability as a versatile tool for producing various content types. Research and understanding complex information. NotebookLM also outlines how it can support research activities, from summarizing information across sources to answering questions about the content. Meeting notes and writing assistance. Additional use cases show how NotebookLM can help manage long meetings by summarizing points or assist with writing tasks, offering improvements on text and structuring ideas. Now let's move on to the document section. Here we have the full text or content that was used as the source for our notes. This is where NotebookLM pulls its data from to create summaries and answer questions. This is very handy because you can access the original source directly from the same workspace. If you need more context, you can check back with the full text without switching between multiple tabs or apps. NotebookLM has identified key themes like revolutionizing information management, source-grounded AI, and interactive and conversational features. This helps highlight the broader goals of NotebookLM, like improving information handling and enabling conversational interactions. Key ideas, facts. Below the main themes, NotebookLM lists specific details like developed by Google and limited availability. These quick facts provide essential context, such as limitations and the technical foundation of the tool. Here we're looking at a set of saved notes in NotebookLM. NotebookLM has divided the notes into clear sections like introduction, uploading and utilizing sources, generating a briefing document, and so on. This structure helps make complex information more digestible. Summarize key points. Each section provides a short summary of a larger topic, allowing users to quickly scan through the main points. For example, the introduction section highlights that NotebookLM can combine data from multiple sources and explains its sign-in process. Overall impression: this view is a great starting point, offering a summary of the content NotebookLM has processed